Hey! Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you make money from home with smart and actionable strategies. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your first freelance client from LinkedIn as promised in my previous video. Please, if you haven't watched that video, please go check it out. Please. So you can, be up to date with us. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your first freelance client, as I said, with LinkedIn by leveraging Google and the power of pitching. This method is super effective, beginner friendly, and most importantly, straight to the point. Alright, let's get started. With step 1, identify the company you want to work with. This is where you do a bit of research. Think about the industry you want to target, whether it's tech, marketing, design, or something else. Make a list of companies you would love to work with. It can be startups, small businesses, or even mid-sized companies. But me, as a new freelancer, I will advise you start with startups. So startups will hire you faster than bigger companies because bigger companies, their eyes already, they've gotten somewhere. But you see the startup companies, those are the types you should be targeting if you're just starting out as a freelancer. The goal here is to narrow down your focus. For example, if you're a graphic designer, look up design agency or marketing companies in your area or even remotely. If you're a writer, check out content marketing firms or media companies. Use Google search for these businesses to get a list going. Now, after getting your list, on to step number 2. Find out who is in charge of hiring. Once you have a company in mind and you want to know who makes the decision when it comes to the freelancers, this is usually someone in the HR or a department head like the marketing manager or creative director. Here's how you do it. Go to Google. Search for the company and find their official website. Look for a team. Scroll down. That most times they put it's at the bottom, you find that. Look for where it's written a team. Team. Or about us. Or about us section. A team or about us section. This is where you often find the names of key people like the head of marketing, HR director. If that information isn't there, don't worry. You can still find them on LinkedIn. That's where we're heading next with this talk. Step 3. Search for them on LinkedIn. Now that you know who's in charge of hiring, head over to LinkedIn and type their name in the search bar. Look for the person with the job title you're after. The job title you're after, marketing manager, HR director, or a specific department you want to pitch. Once you find them, check out their profile and make sure they're the right person. Make sure they're the right person you want to connect to. The right person you want to connect with. Someone who has decision-making power and can actually bring you on board. So with your little research, you will know who you're looking for. By that time, you already have the name. So just put it in that search bar and look for the person. So now, after you found that person, craft a personal pitch. You can use ChatGPT. I've made a video of how to use ChatGPT in my previous video. So please, if you haven't watched that, please watch it. ChatGPT will easily help you to craft a pitch, how you can sell yourself in case you don't know what to type. This is where the magic happens. When you send your LinkedIn connection request, don't just hit connect. Leave it at that. Include a message that is short, sweet, and personalized. Okay? Mention something specific about their company and how, your skills can solve a problem for them. The key here is to show value right from the start. For example, when you do your research about their company, you see maybe, let's say for example, their website, maybe there's something that is dysfunctional, or maybe there's one particular their blog post or something that is not really, like nice, or it's just all over the place. You can now mention it. Tell them that, oh, I saw that, okay, so and so thing on your website is not the same. And I'm a graphic designer, or I'm a writer, or I'm a, this and that. And I can help you solve it. Or I even create websites and your website is something not up to date. I can actually do this. Then you send them just by telling them their problem. Sometimes they might not even know. They might not even know that they have that problem. But you pitching it like that, they'll be like, that's true. They might not even be interested to hire. But just because of that problem you've identified and you're ready to solve, they will hire you. So here's an example. Hi, my name is so and so. I came across your work at You Write the Company and love what you're doing in the You Write, whatever you see that they don't have. I specialize in you put your skill down. And I would love to help you with you put the specific problem. Somebody please jot this down. Okay? Then you put the specific problem. Or tax they might need. You can just see any tax they might need, you put in there. Let's connect to see how I can add value to your team. Short, simple, and to the point. Please tell me you got that. So, if you got that, let's move on to step 5. Understand the power of pitching. Okay? Understand the power of pitching yourself is very, very important. Here's the truth. You can't wait around for clients to find you. People that wait around, see, it's not in this year. The market is saturated, so don't wait. Especially when you're just starting. The power of pitching lies in being proactive. Reaching out, making connections, showing your potential clients why they should hire you is very, very important. And don't worry about rejection. See, guy, no be today they get reject. In fact, right now that you don't even have anything in your pocket. Please, don't worry about that. Because if one don't hire you, trust me, keep going. Another person will. Okay? It's all part of the process. The more people you pitch to, the higher chances of landing the first client. You will even be surprised from having no clients. You have even 5. Let's say you pitch to 30 people like this. 5 may hire you. And before you know it, you will be a busy man. An idle man is a what? Devil workshop. So please, don't just lie around not having anything in your pocket. Do something with your time. The more people you pitch to, the higher chances of landing clients. So please make sure not to just pitch to one person and go and sit down, fold your hand and wait. Okay? Remember, it's a numbers game. And persistence pay off more. Follow up politely. If you don't hear back after a week or so, sometimes people just need a reminder. Someone might want to hire you, but something happened. You have too many things in front of them. And, they can forget. Someone else will come pitch to them and they will pick the person. So, it's very important to, in case you don't hear from them, still, remember after some days, a week like that, go back and, and try to, politely hear from them. Bonus tip, make sure your LinkedIn profile is optimized. It's very important. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is optimized before you start pitching. Double check that your profile showcases your skills clearly. Okay? Your headline should state exactly what you do, whether in freelance, web developer, or content writer. Make it easy to potential clients to understand the value you bring. Include samples of your work, client testimonials, if you have any. But if you don't have any, no problem. Just include the samples of your work as a new freelancer. And a concise summary that highlights your expertise. This will make you look more professional and credible. It's very, very important, please. Use your Google research, pitch. Those two things work hand in hand. Trust me, you will definitely land one job. Okay? Please, don't wait for opportunities to come to you. I'm emphasizing on this. Make sure you talk. Pitch yourself is very, very important. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can land your first freelance clients on LinkedIn without waiting for opportunities to come to you or joining other people in the saturated market of waiting 10 years to look for a job on LinkedIn. Okay? Please just follow these steps and come back and tell me, please. In the comment below. Start by, number one, please. Start by identifying the company. Finding the person in charge. Sending that killer pitch. Very, very important. Okay? Please follow these few steps. Just these 3 steps. Then come back and tell me how it goes. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to grow your freelance business. Let's get out there and start pitching. Here we don't keep quiet, we pitch, okay? Alright, good luck. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.